My name is Emily Taylor. I'm currently in my third year and I'm in the commercial aviation program at UWindsor. The commercial aviation program, it's nice because it's a small group, so you get to know everyone fairly quickly. So when I started my first year, I was starting with everybody in the class doing the ground school, and then I also got an instructor assigned to me. So they were with me on all my flights when I first started. School starts in September and I started flying within that month, about 2 weeks into it. I also liked the degree aspect that this university program had, so I definitely wanted to do that. And even just flying around the Windsor area with the airspace is very unique because we're right beside Detroit. So there's a lot of interesting learning opportunities there for sure. I've definitely had some standing moments that have happened in my flight training so far. Definitely the first solo, when you fly a plane alone for the first time, that's definitely one of my proudest moments. So what basically happens, your first solo, it's the first chance you kind of get to show that you can fly alone and you can handle the plane yourself. So my instructor and I went up for 3 circuits, so you just fly around the airport 3 times, and then he checks to make sure everything's good. And then once I get cleared to go, I taxi back to Journey Air, drop him off, and then I'm good to go by myself for just 1 flight around the airport alone. In this program, you learn a lot of different skills. Leadership skills are definitely the key characteristic in this program. You learn how to be a leader, which is good for any job. You want to be able to show your employer that I can handle this plane myself, whether you're flying alone or by yourself. Definitely being a good communicator, you learn that a lot being a pilot, learning how to communicate with people on the ground, people in the air. So the skills you learn in the program, there's a variety of them, and you can apply them to any job, even outside of aviation. You can apply them anywhere. The nice thing about aviation is that there's actually a lot of different career opportunities that you can do within the field. For me, I definitely want to go into instructing after. It's a great way to build hours and get lots of learning experience. And just being at Journey Air as a student, and I also work there doing dispatch, so I already have that kind of connection. Aviation is really good for building connections with people, and that's how you get a lot of different opportunities. So instructing is definitely my first main thing I want to do, and then from there just apply to airlines in the future. Thrive at UWindsor.